Hey y'all, thanks for joining me again. It's been a hot minute. I apologize. I'm trying to do this, content thing more regularly, but that's really not my jam. I'm really more into just doing the actual gunsmithing, machining part of this stuff, and I'm not so into doing the content creation for it. So sometimes I get a little sidetracked when I'm doing projects. I forget to record, I forget to photograph, document the whole process. But I just want to go over this one with you guys. This is a Gen 5 Glock 19. It's had a few little things done to it that need some rework done. It's a carry gun, so it's definitely got some wear, which is no big deal. We're just going to go ahead and do a Hollison optic cut on it, and the customer wants some front slide serrations done to it. So we're going to do something that matches the rear on the front. This is done on a lot of other Glocks before. So again, nothing too super special, but just want to document the process for you guys. We're just going to go ahead and do graphite black and do graphite black on the small parts as well. So we'll go ahead and get this all set up on the machine, get it cut, and then we'll come back to the bench. All right, everyone. So next day, back here at the bench, I got everything done on this gun. Again, something pretty simple. I've already done a previous video on how I do the RMR optic cut. In this case, it's Hollison, but RMR pattern. I did the front serrations for this guy. I did it to where it matches the app serrations for just standard Glock pattern serrations. It's pretty clean. Nothing special, nothing too hard. I did remove the logo here in the area, the forward Glock logo. So again, Cerakoted in graphite black, and yeah, just wanted to show you guys the process and do another video for you guys. I'm trying to do them more and more, but like I said, it gets a little harder to do summer times. You got stuff going on, and creating content is not on my bucket list or priority list. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video.